Lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, then hey, what's up? My name is Natasha Morrison, and today I have a skincare video for you guys. My skin has come such a long way, like you guys really don't understand. I went through a little period where my skin broke out so badly, and if I can try and find a picture or a video to insert here for you guys, I will. So today's video, I wanted to show you guys a face mask or an AHA that I like to use on my skin, and I kid you not, this product has really helped my skin go from like to like where my skin is right now. So yeah, if you guys want a full in-depth video about my skincare, then let me know in the description box down below, and I'll make sure to film that video for you guys. So I'm just going to get straight into this video. I will show you guys my routine. I've already washed my face. My face is all clean and stuff. So like I said, if you guys want a full routine, let me know down below. Okay, so the product that I'll be showing you guys today is the Ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2% peeling solution. And this product is just phenomenal. I would say that if you have very, very sensitive skin, then this product might not be for you, only because I think it's very strong and it is a chemical. So if you have sensitive skin, I would just say do your research. Try maybe do a patch test just before, maybe some on your neck here, just to see how you react before using it all over your face. But for me personally, I love this product. So obviously you have to make sure you dry your face. You have to make sure you wash your face and then dry your face. You need a very dry face to put this on, and I'll show you guys how to do it. You put it all over your face, put it on your neck, you know that neck area is important as well, and you leave it on for literally 10 minutes. And this product, I feel like it has helped my skin to look brighter. It's helped to diminish my dark marks on my face. I don't know, like I just feel like it's done a lot for my skin. I haven't used it that often. Like, this is really a new bottle and I've only used it a couple times. And when I do use this product, I would say do not use it no more than 2 times a week, because it's that strong. And even on the bottle it tells you don't use it more than 2 times a week. I tend to try use this about once a week or once every other week, because I don't want my skin to get too comfortable, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna get into this video now, and I'm just gonna show you guys the whole process of me putting this on. You know, my little timer. I'm gonna wash off my face. I'm gonna go to my bathroom, wash off my face, and then I'm gonna do a little face mask and show you guys what I like to use for my face mask, and also what I like to use for my moisturizer and under eyes and stuff like that, and little serums that I like to use as well. So if you guys like this video, please do not forget to leave a comment down below. Give this video a nice thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends. If any of your friends are going through, you know, blemishes, or they have blemishes, they're going through a really bad phase with their skin like I did, then I would definitely recommend this. So make sure you share out this video with all your friends. And yeah, so I will just get straight into this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. So let's start this video now. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's a very watery consistency and it's very, very red, matching my nails almost. So you just want to put an even amount all over your face and all over your neck. And guys, I look like a vampire. I look like someone just bit into my face. So you want to just massage the product evenly all over your face and all over your neck, just like I said, and just make sure that you have that even layout distributed all over your face. No areas should be missed, guys. Then you just want to leave this product on for 10 minutes.
2 hours later.
Alright, here I am just waiting for this product to kind of do its magic and just goofing around. Once your alarm has gone off, you want to just wash this product off. Make sure you wash it all off your face and all off your neck. Then I like to use kitchen towel to just dry my face, and you just want to pat dry your face and your neck. And you guys can kind of already see that my face is kind of glowing. I don't know if it's just me, let me know down below, but I feel like my skin just looks like it's glowing. It just looks so much more fresh and just not like it's dehydrated. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Pokemon face mask, and I actually got this face mask in Japan. Shout out to one of my good friends who went to Japan and he got me a load of face masks, and this is one of them. It's so cute, very fun to play with. I'm hoping I put it on the right way, but this face mask was so hydrating and I really loved it. Obviously it's really fun as well. And this face mask, it has like these weird eye tabs and mouth tabs and stuff. I really don't know if I put it on the right way, but then you just want to leave this on for another 10 minutes, and then once that's done, you just want to take it off your face, and then you want to just really massage the rest of the products into your face, and voila, my face is glowing. Like, it just looks so happy and nourished. So that's the end of the video. Take care, guys. Bye.